Welcome guys, so today I am with this Oukitel tablet and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first we can focus on this volume buttons that you can find on the left side, and as you can see, when you press volume down or volume up, we can take photos. So it works the same like this on the on-screen shutter. Take a look one more time, volume down and volume up. Okay, so another tip will be right here about the settings. So we have to click in this place, and as you can see, at the first we can enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. So let's enable, for example, as 3 seconds, tap on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time the photo will be taken. So this option will be useful for you when you, for example, want to get a group photo with your friends, family on the tripod. And another tip will be right here about these grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. So for example, if I want to get this old cell phone in the middle of my photo like that, with these lines, as you can see, it's definitely easier to put it like that, take photo, and this cell phone appears right now in the middle on the photo. So we can just make better composition with these grid lines. And another tip will be about the flashlight. So as you can see, we can power on the flashlight when it's too dark. You can simply increase the brightness level with this flashlight. So it's useful to turn it on in some dark scenario. Okay, and actually that's all for the camera in this Oukitel tablet. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.